Well, guys, WISUP is hiring for research analyst. Okay, this job is for remote. Okay, permanently you will have to work from the home only. So these 75 applicant right now, and let's see what are the job description and what is all about. Okay, so Nimesh Jain has posted this job on LinkedIn, and he is the main person of hiring. Okay, so let's see the job description says the job name will be online business manager or virtual assistant. It is a five-stage process you will have to go through to join WISUP as an online business manager. So in hiring process, there are five stages. First, you can start by filling out the basic details by clicking here. Okay. Once all the details are filled in, you will be counted two online tests, that aptitude test that will be for 25 minutes duration and English writing test that will be for 15 minutes duration. The same link. Once the above two steps are completed, an update will be shared with you within 48 hours. Okay, please keep an eye on your inbox spam box for the same. After the successful completion of these two steps, you will go through HR discussion. Okay, in the interview, hiring manager interview, and assignment. So, what is the VSUP company? So, this is given about the company. I will not read. You can pause the video and you can read about this job. The job profile we can read out is an online business manager virtual assistant at WISUP is a remote full-time employee that works for and is trained by WISUP and is deployed to engage with one and more US based clients. This role is remote and full-time, not a freelancing assignment. The role would be acquiring working in the US time zone. Okay, so what is in it for you? So if we work at this company, what we get? Okay, international exposure will get to interact and build relationship with the smartest global founder and CXO working and on the cutting edge ideas. No hassle of US visa applications since it is remote working. Constant uplinking, upskilling to maintain market relevance. We provide up to 6 weeks of training, doing onboarding in all latest industry tools and practices. Stable full-time remote job in the company that has fully remotely for over 5 years. Work from home or anywhere forever. A scope of rapid growth in the salary based via annual appraisals. So, what are the job roles and responsibilities? So, as an online business manager, you will work closely with one and more client on either one on all of following tasks: e-commerce assistance, project management, advanced Excel MIS reporting, CRM and lead management, online research, lead research, executive assistance, literally planning, calendar management, inbox management, and etc. So, if you are a great fit, if you are having at least 2 years of full-time corporate experience, a stable career employment track record, impeccable written and spoken English, an attitude or aptitude of mathematics and logics, a solid experience in resolving work, complete situation, an ability to be constantly self-driven and organized, an ability to work in US time zone. Job prerequisite, you will get a distraction-free workspace with zero external interference, a smartphone with email capabilities, a fast, reliable connection with a minimum speed of 70 Mbps, a laptop with an integrated camera, and an office setup including minimum of 8 GB and 2 GB RAM of Windows, etc. and all. This is the requirement. Okay, so and a pair of headphones. So work shift will be, this is the interesting part, is Monday to Friday 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. means you will have to work at night. Okay, and salary up to 30% hike. Max salary offered is 59,500. Now they are have given a link for their company and you can see all about. So guys, this job is only for those who are looking to build their career into US industry and who has wished to work at night. It is night shift and you will have to work as per the US schedule time. So in day you sleep but in night you will have to work. Okay, let me know if you have any kind of question. I will always happy to help you in the comment box. Thank you so much.